Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. So from this lesson, I'm going to teach you about Chinese characters. For each lesson, I'm going to teach you one characters about how to write it, how to memorize it, how to use it. I'll give you some down-to-earth Chinese with that character to enhance your memory. And maybe I'll give you some homework. So if you're interested, let's start. For today's character, this is fa, fa, fa. And another pronunciation is fa, fa, fa. So it has two pronunciations. And let's see, what's this fa originally like? It's like this. So can you guess what's the meaning of this character? Now the traditional Chinese character is like this. It means to shoot. Let's see fa. It's like this. So can you guess the meaning? It means hair. Okay, now I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper and write this character with me. I'm gonna lead you to write it for 3 times. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this character has 5 strokes. Now let's write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I think you can write it all by yourself, so you can practice it after our class. Next, I'll teach you how to remember this character. So this is a picture of a little girl who's running. And the point is her hair. So can you imagine the character and the picture? So the green part looks like her arm, and the blue part is like her body. The red part is just like her 2 legs. And important one is that point. That dot, the black part, is like her hair. Don't forget that. Lots of my students, when they write this character, they always forget that dot. That's very important because this fa have the meaning of hair. So it's like this. Now let's learn some down-to-earth Chinese. This is 发脾气，发脾气，发脾气 means lose the temper. Okay, 你常常发脾气吗？你常常发脾气吗？ Okay, you can tell your answer in the comment. So much for this video and thank you for watching it. I'll see you next time. Bye!